Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about wearing a protective style. So I would like to thank Alipearl for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much. So if you would like to see how I slayed this wig, just keep watching. So I want to thank Alipearl again for sponsoring today's video. So let's go ahead and get into the details of what to expect. So you will receive a wig cap. You will receive some eyelashes, a comb to lay those edges. I don't personally do baby hairs, but child, you can go baby hair crazy if you would like, and a band to lay your lace. So this is a 22-inch ready-to-wear 5x5 closure medium cap size wig. It does come with an adjustable band. As you can see, that is the lace right there, and it has 2 combs to secure your wig. This wig came pre-curled because you know your girl struggles with putting curls into the hair, child, and I absolutely love it. It is very full. It is very bouncy. As you can see as you will see in the video, it was very easy to manipulate and put on. So let's go ahead and get into the installation. all the information on this unit or any other unit on their website will be listed down below. Thank you again, Alipearl, for sponsoring this video. You can earn 12% off by downloading their app. I love this wig, guys. I give it a 10 out of a 10. Listen, we need to do protective styles as natural curly girls. It is so, so important for our hair. So I highly recommend check out the website. Girl, get you a unit, all right? Look at me. Woo, child, I'm cute. Bye.